Welcome to the moving average backtesting using Python. This is a 4-part series and you are watching part number 3. In this video, we will backtest a exponential moving average on a Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you will get the correct setting that will give you a maximum profit. In previous video, we have seen that if you want to use a simple moving average on a Nifty and Bank Nifty, there are totally two different settings you need to use that will give a maximum profit. With Nifty, you have to use 112 and with Bank Nifty, you have to use 42. But it was for simple moving average. What if you want to use a exponential moving average? Now first, let us backtest the previous setting with exponential moving average. So Python Nifty Those who don't know where we got 112, please check out the previous two videos. The link is in the description. If you recall, when you use a simple moving average of 112, you were able to get a return of around 125%. But if you use the exponential moving average with same setting, you will get a less returns. So you should not use the same settings for a simple moving average as well as exponential moving average. Let us optimize this setting. Let us find a setting that will give us a maximum profit. Here we are going to backtest exponential moving average of settings 1 to 200. So this code will backtest each setting and it will tell us which setting gives us the maximum profit. If you want to learn this type of backtesting, I do conduct the courses. The link is in the description. So it is almost done. So that's the beauty of programming. Within the few minutes, you were able to backtest 200 different settings of a moving average on a 10-year data. Here backtesting is done on a 10-year data. So here are the results. See, the setting is 62 and that will give us ROI of 122%. So it is the same ROI of simple moving average, but the setting is different. In simple moving average, you need to use 112. In exponential moving average, you should use a 62 setting. So this is the graphical representation of a result. You can see the 62 gave us a 122% return, while 50, a very commonly used moving average, gave us only 100% return. Again, like the previous video, around 20% gap of return. Now let us do the back testing with Bank Nifty. So here we are back testing Bank Nifty with exponential moving average from setting 1 to 200. If you like this video, share, subscribe and comment. If you want to backtest any other indicator, write it in a comment section. So you can see the results. So with exponential moving average, you will get a setting of a 34. With simple moving average for Bank Nifty, we were having 42, but with exponential, you should use 34, and that gave us 230% ROI. You can see in graphical manner as well. Now, the commonly used setting like 100, 200 or 50 are way less than this ROI. You can see the here peaks which produce 230%. If you go for 50, you will get only 136%. If you go for 100, you will get 109%. The 200 will give 100% only. So it is almost double of the commonly used moving averages. You can check it out. It is 34, sorry. It is 230%. Now let us go into more details. Bank Nifty exponential moving average 34. See here, we are now beat the buy and hold because it is just 3% difference. Actually, in buy and hold, you will have like this. You have to sustain this corona crash, or you will have lot of drawdowns. But with strategy, you will not have that drawdowns, because when there is a crossover from the top, we are going to exit. So these are the annual returns, a Sharpe ratio and number of trades. Now this graph shows the strategy outcome. So when there is a moving average crossover, you can see entry and exit. So this is a huge trend we have captured easily. Now you got the setting for Nifty and Bank Nifty. With Nifty for exponential moving average, you should use 62, and with Bank Nifty, you should go for a 34. So if you see here, when the price is having sideways movement or price is having whipsaws, we will getting lot of signals, correct? And these signals are causing the losses. You can see here the red dots are nothing but loss trade, and the blue dots are profitable trade. So when there is a fluctuations in a price or sideways movement, you are going to have lot of false signals. Now how to avoid it? To avoid this, we'll go for another moving average setting. Slow moving average, or a moving average which is having a higher setting, will be used for signals of entry and exit, but a slow moving average will be used for filtering of a price movement. That's the second use of moving averages in a trading, filtering. So in next video, we will find out the correct setting of a two moving averages that will give you a maximum profit. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. If you want to backtest any other indicator, write it in the comment box. See you soon.